Hi, Shirley from ShiFio Patterns here today, and is this not just so sweet? I like the way it goes up one way and then it turns and goes up the other way like a zigzag. Actually, I've called it my Clematis because it reminds me of a clematis climbing up a wall. It's a 12-row pattern, and it's 8 stitches with 2 edge stitches. So it's really, I like it with the double ribbon at the bottom as well. I think that really suits the pattern. That's the back. All the lovely lacy holes. Nice for a blanket, cardigan, christening robe, anything really. So that's done in the pink. So today we are going to do it in the lilac, and I've got 2 lots of 8 on with 2 edge stitches. Now when you count, if you're not sure about if you've lost a stitch or whatever, count them on the purl row. The reason for that is, oh, I think I've got 2 together there for some reason. Wait, let me fix this before I start. Be right back. Okay, that's me sorted it. I'm right back. Okay. Yes, the don't count them on the right side, because for every 8 stitches you end up with 1 extra stitch. It's taken off in the purl row, so count it after the purl row. I'll show you exactly what I mean after I've completed the first row. So the first row is knit 1, yarn over needle, knit 1 through back loop, back leg some people call it, I've noticed, yarn over needle, slip 1, knit 1, pass, slip, stitch over, knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you repeat yarn over needle, knit 1 through the back loop, yarn over needle, slip 1, knit 1, pass, slip stitch over, knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, knit the end stitch. Now that's your right side row complete, so I'll show you. So I've cut it on 8 and 8 plus 2, which is 16. So that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So on the next row, which is the purl row, we're going to take that 2 stitches off. It's 1 per 8. Knit 1, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is how I purl 2 together. I pull the stitch out so I get enough room to put my needle behind it. So it's purl 2 together. That's you removing it. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Purl 2 together through the back loop. There we go. Purl 3, 1, 2, 3, knit the last stitch. Okay, so that means we're back down to the 18 stitches, which is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, because the 2 stitches are removed on the purl row. Okay, row 3, which is, oh my gosh, edge stitch, knit it. Now you repeat yarn over needle, knit 1 stitch through the back loop. I get hold of this, through the back loop, yarn over needle, knit 2, 1, 2, slip 1, knit 1, pass the slip stitch over, knit 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so repeat, yarn over needle, knit 1 through the back loop, yarn over needle, knit 2, 1, 2, slip 1, knit 1, pass slip stitch over, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, knit the last stitch. Okay, so this is row 4, and it's on the wrong side, and that's your knit your edge stitch, and you repeat purl 2, 1, 2, and you purl 2 through the back loop. I pull them out and I put your needle in through the back. Purl 2 together, purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to repeat purl 2, 1, 2, purl 2 together through the back loop. I'll show you again. I pull it out and then I put the needle behind. Purl 2 together through back loop, purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, knit your last stitch. There we go. So the next row is row 5. Whoops. So it is knit your edge stitch, knit 1 through back loop, yarn over needle, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, slip 1, knit 1, pass slip stitch over, knit 1, yarn over needle, start again, knit 1 through back loop, yarn over needle, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, slip 1, knit 1, pass slip stitch over, knit 1, yarn over needle, knit your edge stitch. Okay, we're on row 6, and it's knit your edge stitch, and then it's purl 1, then it's purl 2 together through back loop, pull the stitches out, put your needle in from behind, purl it, purl 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, start again, purl 1, purl 2 together through back loop, purl 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, knit your last stitch. There we go, that's the purl row. Right, next row is row 7. Butterfingers today. Knit 1, knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, knit 2 together, yarn over needle, knit 1 through back loop, yarn over needle. So we start again with a knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1 through back loop, yarn over, knit your last stitch. Okay, row 8, which is knit 1, let's purl 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 2 together normally, purl 2 together, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, start again, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 2 together, purl 2 together, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit your last stitch. There we go. That was row 8. Now row 9 is, oops, knit 1, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 2 together normally, knit 2, 1, 2, yarn over needle, knit 1 through back loop, yarn over needle, start again, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 2 together, knit 2, 1, 2, yarn over needle, knit 1 through back loop, yarn over needle, knit the edge stitch. Okay, that was row 9. Row 10, knit your edge stitch, purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, purl 2 together. Wow, that's a storm. I was just going to count then. Purl 2 together, purl 2, 1, 2, right, repeat, purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, purl 2 together, purl 2, 1, 2, knit your last stitch. Now we're on to row 11. Knit 1, yarn over needle, knit 1, knit 2 together, oops, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn over needle, knit 1 through back loop. There we go. Start again, yarn over needle, knit 1, knit 2 together, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn over needle, knit 1 through back loop, knit 1. Okay, last row, it's knit 1 and it's purl 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, purl 2 together, purl 1, start again, purl 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, purl 2 together, purl 1, knit your last stitch. Okay, that's your 12 rows. That's how it works out. Looks really nice, I think. Really smart. As I say, if you're going to count your stitches on the right side, add on 1 stitch for every section that you do, for each section of 8. Count them on the purl side and your numbers should be correct. Hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, the links below are to like, share, subscribe, comment, whichever. Hope you've enjoyed it. Happy knitting.